Really? How long are you here for? A few days? Yeah, that's alright. Going out to see the sights, walk through the fields. Is there much to do around here? I've never been here before. I had to jump on my dice and fly here. Now, I'm going to tell you about a few things. Things are really riling me up at the moment. Alright, let's have an R. Seriously, proper riling me up. Why, in Coronation Street, has no one got a bleeding washing machine? What the hell's all that about? I can understand in EastEnders because they go to the laundrette, but where does everybody do their washing in Corrie? Do you know? Do you watch Coronation Street? And what is it? Sorry, another thing as well that riles the hell out of me. You know if you watch The Rover's Return, you look at the front, alright, you've got two windows, haven't you? Well, where the bleeding hell's the back room they always go to. And Betty's hot pot kitchen, what did she do? Sit under the viaduct? You go for a pee in The Rover's Return, you end up in Ken Barlow's front room. How do they work this one out? You're not going down into the cellar. Ooh, we'll just pass Deirdre in the kitchen. It just really, really annoys me, this, alright? Now, have we got any mothers in the room? One or two. Yes, I've heard, I've seen it on the back of the toilet, don't I? Right, if you're a mother, I need you to stand up. Come on, stand yourselves up. I need mums to stand up, come on. I'm going to come over here. Oh, we got some mums. You're a mum, yeah? Any more mums over this side? Hello at the back. You got in late, didn't you? Were you upstairs, you know, powdering your nose? Right, mums. This is what I want to ask you, and it's a really, really important question. Why do you count to 3 before you whack your kids? What's all that about? You're laughing, you've done it, haven't you? Who was that? You. I bet you've done it a few times, haven't you? I heard you laughing out loud. What is that all about? You go 1, 2. Chase them round, chase them round, chase them round, chase them round. 2.5. Where the bleeding hell does 2.5 come from? Has any mum ever got to 3? Put your hand up if you've got to 3. You have. What did you do? Did you? Did you? They ran away. Good girl.